What is up, YouTube? I've got to pop out, do some errands, and I thought I'd do a bit of scrapping. Just do a little one, see what's around. And no, I am not at the lakes. That's my car park. It has been raining here for the last 5 days solid. Absolutely chucking it down. So, I bet you can swim. Easy. Oh, you want to see that bow wave I left behind? Right. Fingers crossed then we at least get something. I've got my tools with me just in case. So, if I find anything, I'll get back to you. Just have a little look in here. Sometimes you get something. Not this time. Oh dear. Conked it out. Terrible driving. Don't hit that curb. I've hit that before in my work van. Oh, nothing there. Right, next one. Let's have a little mooch. So yeah, last 5 days has been bad. It has just been raining and raining. Oh, it's been terrible. Absolutely terrible. So I'm hoping people have been indoors, doing stuff at home, bit of decorating and that, sorting stuff out, and maybe they've thrown some stuff out. I had a good look around earlier, and I couldn't see much. I want to go back and check a couple of skips. Right, there's nothing here yet. I don't want this video to go on for ages, so I'll get back to you when I find nothing. So that skip, I'm just going to jump out for 2 seconds, have a look. Food smells nice out here. Food smells great. Today. Right, on to the next one. The skip's gone. That one's gone. Right, I'll go to round by my old place where I found the sink and a washing machine. See what's there. Is there going to be anything here this time? Bumps. Don't see anything big and white, so that's a good sign. Cardboard box. Thought it was a metal box then for a second. Don't want the mattress. Right. Next one then. Well guys, you are not going to believe what I just saw. You are not going to effing believe it. It's a flipping washing machine. Oh my god. Let me get this side of the road. Get parked up. And see if I can get you guys a view, and I'll just run over there. I'll cut the train off anyway. Way too much hassle trying to get the motor out of that. Two seconds. man. Right outside that house. Oh, dude. A freaking car, man. Oh, there's a skip right next to it. I didn't even see it. There's another one. Oh, let me turn this around. 6. Couple of bits of insulated. Nothing much to write home about. Oh man. Right, I'll get back, see if I'll get any more. That's pissed me off. Here we are then, next stop. Should be used to seeing this place by now, we've been here a few times. Shopping trolleys? No. Alright, thanks. There better not be another scrapper out trying to get more scrap. Cannot believe that washing machine. That could have been ours, boys. That could have been the mother load. Just sat there at the side of the road like a lady of the night. So I'm going to start calling them ladies of the night. Oh, and there she was. White trash. Right at the side of the road, waiting to get picked up, waiting for her hero to come along, and that was me. But the hero had the wrong chariot. Well, I think I've come to the conclusion that there's probably no point doing this in Betty. If I can't get a wash machine in the back, which is the ultimate prize for me, they're big, heavy, that washing machine, that would have had some good parts in it. You know, you can get 50 to 150 quid out of a wash machine if you know what you're doing. Not that I do know, but I know enough. So that's really, really got my goat up, that has. So it's getting to the point where I'm just thinking I should knock scrapping on the head until Monty's fixed. But I can't fix Monty at the moment because it's absolutely chucking it down. And I don't want my legs in a lake when I'm working on the car. So something needs to change fast. It's still there. No, it's gone. That one's gone as well. Right, I think I'm heading home via some sort of takeaway. Not KFC. Keeps giving me blinking flu, doesn't it? I saw a skip up here earlier. Some little butchers. It's a bit sketchy here though. Oh, they're gone as well. Skip guys are on it. I suppose they would be, wouldn't they? It's part of their job. Well, that's it, people. I'm done for the night. Couple of cords. That is it. Not sure it's worth going out again unless the Monty's fixed, you know. Here we are, back at the Lake District. Lake de Vandel. So we park around here. Look at the state of that water. Car's going to be rusty to bits by the time they're fixed. Oh well, that's it, guys. That's it for this one. Next video, I'll strip the strimmer out. Hopefully it won't be too long. So thanks for sticking with me. At least this gives you a scrapper's eye view of what you've got to go through. So this is it. Unless you've got a van or a truck, or at least a car big enough to put a wash machine in, I probably wouldn't bother. Anyway, be cool, be kind, and I'll see you all next time.